Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to show you this beautiful 255XD, all black with the gold trim there. Such a beautiful boat. Probably the best looking Yamaha I've seen on the water. Nice tandem axle trailer, matches the boat. It's got a nice big top here as well for plenty of coverage. Come around back here, I'll show you. Obviously, when you're talking about a Yamaha, you notice the first thing is the back of the boat. The transom has the best design of any boat I've ever seen. It's great for the family to hang out just in a cove. You can hang out with the kids, swim around the back. You don't have any props laying down here, so it's just a jet drive boat and plenty of horsepower, and this boat will absolutely fly. Let's go inside and take a look. Hey guys, we're up here inside the 255XD. Let me show you a little bit more about the bow here. Obviously, you got tons of seating room in the front with integrated handrails, speakers, cup holders. You got plenty of room of stretching out here. You got your anchor storage, your ladder storage, everything you need right here, easy to get to. Cup holders in the front. You got plenty of seating all the way around, and this actually has fill-in cushions, so you can make this a full bed in the front. Back here, you've got the windshield that closes. Then you also have a air dam right here that you can close this off and close the windshield and block any of the wind, you know, and it really warms it up back here in the night if you're coming back from a restaurant or something like that late at night. As always, Yamaha gives you tons of storage. You've got a nice big cabin area right here that you can store the cushions. You can actually put a little porta potty, anything you'd like to do in there. Just gives you a little bit more room. Back here to the helm. This boat is an SD, so it does have the Drive X paddles. Makes it easy for docking. It really just gives you a lot of control of the boat. You can pull it in sideways, frontward, backwards, do a complete turn, whatever you want to do. You have your throttles here, that electronic throttles. And the thing about this, the XD, this does have the surf package. So all your screen right here shows you all of the information you need. You can customize the screen, or I'm sorry, customize the wake to whoever's riding at the time, from a beginner to an expert. So back here, you have, you see the nice captain's chair here with the wraparound seating all the way back here in the back. Gives you a nice cozy feel all the way around here. You've got tower speakers up here as well in the tower. This actually folds down, so if you need it for storage to put into a garage or something like a tall garage, you can put it in there. You got wakeboard racks here that swivel. So it's an awesome boat. It puts out a great wave, and it's just a great sport boat for the family. If you'd like more information on this boat, please come visit us here at MarineMax Greenville.